Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone if the Apple logo is blinking like this or something similar. What you want to do is to follow these steps in order to fix it. All you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to the side button and you are going to wait to see the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. At that time, you will let go the side button. So as you can see here, I'm holding on to the side button, and once I see the Apple logo, I let go again. So this method is going to be force restarting your device and reloading the code. Now, if this method is not work for the very first time, sometime it does take a few tries. So just keep on doing it until you can get the phone to completely go black and the Apple logo appears. At that time, it will be fixed. Now, this method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your iPhone, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, if it is not working, the next thing to do is to try to update your phone through your computer using iTunes or the MacBook. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Peace.